The time is 4 minutes past 11 and you're still tuned in to the Green Light Show right here on SAUMA HD Radio with the one and only Dave the Goliath Slayer. Obviously, I told you, Guti, I have special guests in the studio. I have Tara and Kel from A to Z Engravings. How are you, Tara?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a pleasure being here.
It's a pleasure having you here. How are you, Kel?
I'm well, thank you. And thanks for the opportunity to be with you.
It's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure to have entrepreneurs in the studio. So, first question. Can you tell us a little bit about the engraving business and how it all started?
I'll start. What we do is bespoke engraving.
Mm-hmm.
So that's Kel is a hand engraving specialist. He's a calligraphist. I studied fine arts.
Mm-hmm.
So I've incorporated hand engraving with a way to promote products for high-end brands. And I've taken that and I've approached big companies. Can I mention names?
Yeah, you can, of course.
Okay, like Armani, JC LaRue.
Okay.
We've engraved for the Springbok rugby team for their promotion, worked with Laureus Sports Awards. We've met Paul Tusi, Bonang, and we get the opportunity to work with the man on the street, the celebrities, everybody. And what we do is we engrave onto the actual product live on site.
Okay.
So this Easter we'll be doing Armani and Edgar's in Sainton. So if you purchase a bottle, Kel will actually engrave your name onto that bottle to make it a unique product. I came up with that concept to make it a bit different than just engraving. Engraving and branding is just basically putting a name and working from a machine from home. Now I brought it into more of an artistic field, and that is how we actually grew it. Started in 2012, and we are now carrying on, and it's going up slowly. We're getting known.
You're getting known slowly but surely. So you said Kel will be the one who's doing the engravings, right? So I want to know from Kel now, how does the engraving process work? Could you walk us through the steps?
Certainly. Firstly, there's the way I do it, which is by hand. My form of engraving is using a rotary machine, which is controlled by the hand. The older fashion, which requires a lot more skill, is called scorper engraving, which there are very, very few people that still do it. But you can get mechanization now, which will make it easier for people to use that form of engraving. So they use it a lot for when they're doing ornate embellishments on perhaps your knives or your rings, etc. And the modern way is you got a machine which hammers. It hammers the bit so that as you are turning into the hammer, it cuts.
Or it cuts
into the material.
Oh.
My way is similar to a CNC machine.
Okay, what's a CNC machine? Now I'm really interested.
Well, as I said, there's various ways of branding. So a CNC machine you can use for wood or you can use for metals. And ideally it's like a drill machine at a 90-degree angle. Okay? And it primarily works on flat surfaces unless you got a rotation device which can hold and turn as it's cutting.
Okay.
All right. So that's a CNC machine. A laser machine works on the same principle as a CNC machine, but it's using a high frequency light to burn into the material. And depending on which format of laser machine, it will allow you to work on different substrates and materials.
Interesting, very interesting. Cal, you should open a YouTube channel and explain engraving.
Well, we do that when we assist our clients, because not everybody, as you quite well said, you're not in the industry, so it's a learning curve for quite a lot of our clientele as well, the man on the street that we cater for, and we explain.